What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So this is a very highly requested video on how to trade inside bars and outside bars. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. So the first very simple way to trade inside bars and outside bars are using the breakout method. So the breakout method is simply taking the break above the high or the low of the bar. So here's an example of an outside bar, right? And you notice that we don't break the high or the low of the bar within the next candle. So I'm on the 5-minute chart right now. However, the next bar is an inside bar. So when the candle closes, what we're going to do is we're going to mark the high and the low. So here we go. Here's the high. And then here's the low. So we mark the high and the low, and whichever side breaks is the side we're going to trade. And you can do this using stop limit orders, or you can use this actually with just waiting for when it breaks. You can have an alert and you can just get in right there. Okay. I personally like using stop limit orders because it ensures that I get filled at the price that I want to get filled at. So in this case right here, guys, we actually break through the high of the inside bar, and this one goes for a nice winner. So this is probably 2 times your money. And here's another example. Another inside bar breaks the low, comes back down. That's also a nice little winner as well. So that's the breakout method. Very simple. If it breaks above the high, go long. If it breaks below the low, go short. Now, the next method is the bias method. So the bias method involves you choosing which direction you want to play on the candle ahead of time. And some of the ways that I pick a bias is using confluence with fibs. So in this inside bar, as an example, I can tell that Fibonacci is sitting on a major Fibonacci retracement. So if I go from low to high, I can see that this inside bar is sitting right above the 786, and we also had an algo fill at the 886. So this inside bar, I'm actually leaning to play more bullish. So I can take this long right away when the bar closes or when the bar high breaks. Either one is fine, and just play it in that direction because I'm confident the Fibonacci is there to support me. Another method that you can do, guys, is just playing the color of the bar. So if the inside bar closes positive, then in green, you can play long. If it closes short, in red, you can go short. Okay, so that's a color method, very simple. The other things you can do, guys, is use other indicators to help you choose your directional bias. So for example, gap fill, moving average, and Bollinger Band. So in this example right here, we have the Bollinger Band hugging here. So we can say, okay, this inside bar is hugging the Bollinger Band. This is an opportunity to go long using Bollinger Bands, okay? In terms of stop losses, so what do you do with your stop losses? So very simple. If you're taking the breakout method, so if you go long here, your stop loss can be below the low. If you're going short here, your stop loss can be above the high. Or we can use a little more advanced feature, which I train people on. It's what we call using the Fibonacci of the candle. So if I take the Fibonacci of this candle right here from low to high, you see how we have a 618 fill. So when I get filled long here, I want to put my stop loss below the 618. So I'm using the Fibonacci to help me show where the algorithms are located in order to have a better stop loss. All right. The other way is just simply, if you're going to go long here, put your stop at the low of the day. If you're going to go short here, put your stop at the high of the day. So just using the high or the low of the day. And the benefit of doing that is you can have a wider stop, great for new traders. Okay. Which one is the best method? So the best method comes down to you. Which one can you execute every single day? That's all that matters. Which one are you comfortable with? Which one do you know you can do on a daily basis? Trading comes down to consistency. So this is why I'm giving you all the options here, because all these options work over time, but you need to find one and pick a method that suits your needs also, because some people can't trade, for the morning, some people can't trade in the afternoon, etc. So I'm giving you guys all the tools that you need to succeed. For those who want supplemental alerts and want that additionally, by no means, guys, am I saying you have to have this. This is just if you want them. So what I do every single day on Twitter, you guys know, I post 4 option plays for the next day. Those option plays are inside bar closes or holy grails or outside bar closes on the daily chart. And then what I do is for those 4 picks, guys, in my private Discord right here. So I have daily option picks. I'm actually sending alerts when there's an inside bar or an outside bar on those particular stocks on the 5-minute chart. So this is my concept, what I call fractal trading. So there's an inside bar on the daily for Apple, and then we take the 5-minute inside bar on the 5-minute chart for Apple. So I'm combining inside bar on top of inside bar. And this is my legacy. This is what I like to trade. And this is what I believe is a way for you guys to learn how to trade the markets, which is not too complicated. Okay. What else did I have here for the alerts? I always have SPY bot alerts because I always trade SPY 5-minute, 15, 30, and hourly. It's going to automatically notify you when those close. So you don't have to, be staring at the chart all day. And this one I said again are the fractal trading. So inside bars on the higher time frame, and then we're drilling for inside bars on the lower time frame. Here's my swing trade alerts. for anyone in the swing room. I also have a futures bot alert now. So this one goes all night long for people in different time zones. You can get these. And then the last one that I have here that I want to discuss with you guys is just going back here, make sure that you're trading with small size until you're comfortable. So everything in trading is about experience. So I want you, pretend you're a basketball player. If you want to get to the professional leagues, you have to shoot shots over and over and over and over again until you get good. And this is what I want you guys to do. Take your free throws, take your attempts, practice with small size. If you want to come support me and join the private room and get the alerts, you can also do that too. Sign up on tradingwars.com. All right. But otherwise than that, guys, you don't need the alerts. You don't need anything. I'm giving you everything right here. I want to see you succeed. Put your best foot forward. And I wish you guys nothing but success. All right. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.